Hey guys, in this short video we're going to be talking about Horween leather and how it wears over time. Now I have the Horween Omega that I've already reviewed, but Crossway also sent me the Horween Legacy. That'll be another separate video where I'll review the Horween Legacy. So since I have a brand new Horween cover and one that I've used pretty extensively over the last month, it gives me the opportunity to show you side-by-side comparison of how it wears over time. So just to confirm, the Bible on the left is the brand new Horween Legacy, and its cover is mint. It's brand new. No flaws, no issues. You can see the front and the back is smooth, looks great, and it feels amazing. The smell is amazing.
Uploading.
So let me show you really quickly. Now that you see the brand new, the Omega is on the right here, and you can see side by side the wrinkling that shows up in this cover. Front and the back has some nice wrinkling. There's also a little bit of a patina on this cover. You can kind of see that when I do that, you can see the wrinkles in that leather and a little bit of the color, as well as the flexibility. It's more flexible, and how stiff this is more flexible. Just like wearing in a new pair of boots, they're gonna get more flexible. It's the same principle, where goat skin or other typical Bible leathers come already pretty much broken in and they're already flexible. This will get more flexible over time. Now, someone did ask about the hand test. Now, if you're unaware, the hand test is where you take the Bible about halfway and you split it and you hold it open. This is the hand test. You can see it's very stiff. This is the Legacy, which is an even thicker block than the Omega, and you can see how it doesn't really want to fold over on itself really well. But when we look at the Omega that I've been using pretty extensively for the last month, the flexibility is much better. So you can see I'll roll it over like this whenever I read. Whether I'm on the left side or I'm reading the right side, I'll hold it like that. And that does add to the flexing of that cover. But you can definitely see how it's way more flexible now than it was just 1 month ago, brand new. The last thing I want to mention is this smell of this Horween leather is amazing. But as this leather flexes and bends, it almost like it exposes parts of the hide, and it releases more of that aroma. So this Omega that I've used for over a month or around a month smells stronger and better than even this brand new Legacy Horween edition. One last time, this is the brand new Horween CXL leather without any wear. You see it has no wrinkles. And here is the Omega. Now, I hope you can see all those little striations in the leather. Let me flip it over so you can see the back. The back has a lot of the same really nice wear. It has a nice patina to it. The yap is training up really well on these editions. So it's a pretty quick video. I wanted to show you guys just how it's worn over the last month of pretty heavy use. And I'm going to continue to use this Omega as my daily driver, just so I can keep giving you guys kind of some updates after 3 months, after a year, just to see how this leather patinas and wears and how much more flexible it gets and how much more buttery smooth it gets. So it's going to be great. As with all my videos, I'm giving away a Bible in this video as well. This person wins a Bible right here. You left a comment on my last video. Thank you very much. And you want a Bible, so make sure you get in touch with me and I'll get you a Bible directly. If you want to win a Bible in the next video, be sure to leave a comment on this video. Let me know what you think about these Horween editions and how they're wearing and aging. Like I said, this is only 1 month of use and it feels nicer, it smells better, it's more flexible than it was when it first got it. So these Bibles are meant to be used and meant to break in and really get better with time. And I'm really loving this Horween leather on this Bible. Thank you guys for watching. I know this was a short little video just to show you how they're wearing but I figured you guys would probably appreciate a little bit of update, especially while they're still kind of unavailable, at least while they're on back order. You can really decide if this is something you're wanting to invest that kind of money in. So there'll be links in the description below. Thank you guys again for watching, commenting, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Take care. God bless.